Rongmei Naga Council Manipur Rncm has called off the indefinite ban which was imposed on National Highway 37. After reaching an agreement with Chief Minister Biren on some of their demands, Rncm imposed a ban starting from midnight of August 18, demanding alternative arrangement for administrative conveniences of Naga population in Gangpokpi and Churachandpur district, alleging that Naga communities in the two districts have been facing lots of problems while accessing benefits under government schemes. Representatives of Rncm reportedly held talk with Chief Minister Biren last night, and they finally managed to reach agreement on some of their demands. Speaking in this regard, advisor of Rncm, Lunglaisin Thaimei, maintained that the council decided to withdraw its ban after Chief Minister gave assurance to fulfill some of their demands. He, however, warned of further agitations if government fails to act on its assurances.
Siru tribe, Rongmei tribe, Kharam tribe, Aimon tribe, Amasung Chief Association, Student Union, Amasung Youth, Amasung Women Wing, Mayam, Sarkari Office, Amin Araba Matunda, Akoi Ani Gimarata, Yanaba Amapurakre, Madam di Sakana, Akoi Apamba Adu Ubigana, Taubirani Habagi, Sayasanama Taubigi Maramna, Nasidagi, Pan Asi, Matam Karagi Damakta, Akoi Dilex Dore. Adubo, ekona thazaba sarkar da leijai maram maduna karigumba thazabagi wangmada karigumba tobirak tab taragadi ban asi strike asi mathangda sidigi henna akanda khongthang lokhakani habasi mayam gi mafamda thamjari.